In this video I will be drawing a custom skateboard graphic that I'm also gonna get printed on a board. The inspirations are gonna be this t-shirt, which is one of my favorites, and this Pokemon card of Cubone. I had a concept in mind, so I just started drawing it. After some time it was finished. After that I needed to get it digitalized, so I went to Photopea, which is a free site I use, and I kinda just drew it over and gave it color. Now I would basically just make it a real board graphic. And of course, these boards are the inspiration for it. Now I go to customdecks.eu. On this site you can print custom skateboards. They got a big variety of shapes and boards, so I just picked one and uploaded my graphic. Of course you can pick your own size and the color of choice. After placing the order, it took about 2 weeks for the board to get to my house. And here it is. It's really cool to see your own graphic on the board, and I'm actually really happy on how it turned out. Of course we also gotta skate it, so here I'm just setting it up and it's ready to go. Went to the park and also dropped off some of my old stuff for other people to skate. Now it's time to skate the board. I haven't skated for a week and I was kinda rusty, but skating your own graphic is super fun and I really liked it. I would definitely recommend trying this out sometime, so get creative, draw a graphic, get it printed on a board and enjoy.